Hello Mr. Nasser and Anas. Apa kabar?
Kabar.
Halo, kabar
Halo,
saya baik.
Baik.
kabar saya
Baik.
baik. Alhamdulillah.
Baik.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. So, are you guys still in your country right now?
Yes, we're
Okay.
still here.
Yes, Mr. Anas, kamu berasal dari mana? Where are you from?
I'm from Palestine and I live in Gaza.
Oh, so right now you are in Gaza.
Yes.
So, what time is it there?
Time is 3 p.m.
3 p.m. Okay, so what about Mr. Nasser?
Yes,
So, kamu berasal
Dyer
dari
from Dyer Libya. Dyer Libya.
uh,
Dyer Libya.
okay. What time is it there?
It's about 2:13.
2:13.
2:13.
2:13. Okay, so it's like
2:13 p.m.
2:30 p.m.
2:13 p.m.
Okay, so welcome to the fourth session of the BIPA class. So, nama saya Cantika. My name is Cantika, with my partner, Julia. So, today we are going to be your teacher to learn Indonesian for this session. So, for your information, the teacher for the class is change every session, right? So, you will meet new teachers who teach you Indonesian. And since we have already introduced ourselves in Indonesia, now it's your turn to introduce yourself in Bahasa Indonesia because you already learned that in the previous meeting, right? Are you still remember
Okay.
how to introduce
Okay.
yourself in Indonesia?
Okay. 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 Uh,
I think Manas had a trouble with his connection. Okay, uh, Mr. Nasser, can you please?
Gaza, Palestine.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Mr. Anas, I'm sorry. I think you had a bad connection.
Hello.
Hello, Mr. Anas. I think your connection is bad. Can you please repeat it again?
Okay. I'm sorry. The problem in internet.
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay.
You can.
Again.
Yes.
Name saya Anas Abul Of. Saya berumur 20 tahun. Saya dari Gaza, Palestine.
Okay. Now, good job. Terima kasih, Anas. Now we move on to
Terima kasih. Terima kasih.
sama-sama. Okay. Now we move on to the Mr. Nasser. Are you still remember how to
Yes.
introduce yourself in Indonesia?
Yeah, yeah, of course, yes. Nama saya Nasr.
Yes.
Saya berumur 5 tahun. 50 tahun.
50. Okay.
Yes, 50 tahun.
Yes. And then,
Eh, saya dari Libya Tomat.
okay. So, good job that Mr. Nasser and Anas have
Thank
remembered how to introduce themselves in Indonesian. Okay.
Thank you.
Let's move it.
Okay, so we already know about each other, and today lessons is about family, and we will talk a bit about job or profession also. So, are you ready to learn?
Okay.
Okay, I will share the presentation.
By the way, senang bertemu. Senang bertemu dengan kamu.
Okay, is it already visible, guys?
You know, it's that connection or something.
Is it visible now?
In order. Yes, it's
Can
okay. It's visible.
okay.
Okay, so today we will learn a new material which is about family or in Indonesia, keluarga. And we will also talk a bit about jobs or profession also. But before we start, we will start with numbers first in Indonesia. And I'm pretty sure that you already learned number in the very first meeting, all right? And this time you will use numbers when talking about your family. For example, how many family members you have, and how many siblings you have, or how many brothers and sisters that you have. So I want you to look at this. Yes, I want you to look at the screen and I want you to repeat after me, okay? The first one is
Okay.
satu. Satu.
Satu.
Yes. Satu means
Satu,
satu means one. And dua.
Dua. Dua.
dua,
Yes, dua means two. And then tiga.
Tiga.
tiga,
Yes, tiga means three. And then empat.
Empat.
empat,
Yes, empat means four. And the
Empat.
next one is, lima.
yes,
Lima.
Yes,
lima,
Yes, lima means five. And then enam.
Enam.
enam,
Yes, enam means six.
enam,
Enam, yes.
Enam. Enam.
And then tujuh.
Tujuh.
tujuh,
Tujuh. Yes, tujuh means seven.
Tujuh.
Yes, tujuh.
tujuh,
And then
Tujuh.
delapan.
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 delapan,
Delapan. Delapan.
Yes, very good. Delapan.
delapan,
Delapan. Delapan.
delapan, delapan,
Yes, delapan.
Delapan. Delapan.
delapan,
Yeah, delapan means eight. And
Delapan.
then, the next one is sembilan.
Sembilan.
sembilan,
Yes, good. Yes, sembilan means nine. And the last one is sepuluh.
sepuluh,
Sepuluh.
sepuluh,
Sepuluh, yes. Sepuluh means 10.
Sepuluh. Sepuluh.
Yes. Okay, I think that you already learned all the numbers right, and your pronunciation is pretty good. And now we can move to our today's learning objective. So by the end of this class, I hope you will be able to recognize family vocabulary, also understand its meaning, and also you can use family words in simple sentences, and also make and share simple sentences about your family using the patterns that you will learn later.
Okay, so before we learn about the vocabulary, I want to ask something. Do you usually talk about your family when you introduce yourself? Like your siblings or
Parents.
your parents? Are you usually talk about your family?
Yeah, no, their wife and husband, their children, the number empat.
Oh, oh, so you already have a children.
Yeah, of course.
Oh,
I have
how many children
five,
do you have? Five.
lima.
Uh,
Lima. And can you please mention all of their names?
Names, yes. Ada Marwan,
Okay, and then
Omar, Muhammad,
Muhammad.
Juma. The last one
Five
is
is the
is
boy.
the daughter.
All of them are boys.
Yeah, 4 boys and 1 daughter.
Oh, okay. Yeah, boleh. Thank you for sharing. By
Thank
the
you,
way.
Mr. Nasser. Okay, now we are going to learn about the vocabulary. Let's look at the first word. This is kakek.
Kakek.
Kakek. Kakek means grandfather.
Kakek.
Kakek. And the second one is nenek.
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 Nenek nenek means is grandmother.
Nenek.
Nenek. What
And
again? Please?
nenek. Nenek.
Nenek.
Nenek.
Yeah.
We didn't pronounce K.
Kakek.
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 Nenek.
Kakek.
Kakek.
Nenek.
Kakek. Nenek.
Yes.
Kakek nenek.
Yes.
Voiceless sound. Last one.
Last one.
I'm sorry, mister.
K.
Kakek.
Voiceless sound.
Ah, yes.
The last letter K. Nenek.
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 Nenek. Okay, so
Kakek nenek.
Yes.
and the third one is ayah.
Ayah.
Yeah.
Ayah.
Ayah.
Yes.
Yes, good.
Ayah.
Ayah
Yeah,
means is father.
Ayah.
Ayah.
Ayah. Yes. And the fourth one is ibu.
Ibu.
Ibu. Ibu means mother.
Mother. Ibu.
Mother. Ibu, yes. And the next one is paman.
Paman.
Baban.
Yeah. Paman, yes.
Paman.
Paman.
Paman, yes.
Paman.
Paman.
Paman means
Paman.
uncle. Yes. Paman means uncle.
Paman. Yes.
And the next one is bibi.
Bibi.
Bibi, yes. Bibi means aunt.
Aunt.
Yes. And the next one is kakak.
Kakak.
Kakak, yes. Kakak means older siblings. Usually we use kakak when we do not know the gender. When we don't know the gender, we can use kak.
And you pronounce grandfather. Kaki. Kakak.
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 It's quite similar between kakek and kakak.
Same pronunciation.
It's one word different. Yeah, kakek you use e and kakak you use a. Kakek means grandfather and kakak
Means
older sibling.
Kakek. Okay. Kakek.
Kakek, kakak.
Kakek. Kakek.
Yeah.
Kakek, kakak. Yes, it's quite similar.
It's difficult for you, Mr. Anas.
Okay.
Okay, so
How are you?
the last one we have adik.
Adik.
Again?
Adik.
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 Yes,
Adik.
adik.
Yes. So adik means younger sibling.
Adik
Yes, adik.
and
Adik.
adik.
Yes, adik.
We also use adik when we do not know the gender. So we can use adik.
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 Yes.
Adik.
Adik. Kakak.
Yes, adik.
Kakek.
Okay.
Yeah, that's good.
Good, good.
This. Bibi.
Okay.
Yes, bibi.
Bibi. Okay. Bibi.
Yeah, bibi.
Bibi.
Bibi. Mama.
Uh,
Pak.
yeah, maybe we can start from Mr. Nasser. Can you please read from kakek to adik?
Until adik.
Okay. Kakek.
Yes, and then
Nenek.
yes,
Ayah.
yes, and then
Ibu.
yeah,
Mama.
yeah, good. And then
Paman.
Yes.
yes, say that's right.
Bibi.
Bibi. Okay.
Bibi. Kakak.
Yes, and the last one.
Adik.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Good.
That's good.
Thank you so much, Miss Nasser. And then it's Anna's turn. Can you please mention from kakek to adik?
Okay. Kaki.
Kakek.
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 Yes.
Kakek. Nenek.
Yes.
Ayah. Ibu.
Yeah. Ibu.
Paman.
Yes. Paman.
Bibi.
Bibi.
Kak.
Kakak.
Kakak.
Yes.
Adik.
Kakak. Adik. Okay. Good.
Adik.
Thank you, Anas and Mr.
Good
Nasser.
job.
Good job.
Thank you.
Okay, here is the another vocabulary. The first one is kakak laki-laki. Can you say it? Kakak laki-laki.
Kakak.
Kakak laki-laki. Kakak laki-laki.
Kakak
Yes.
laki-laki.
Kakak laki-laki.
Laki-laki.
Yeah. So this one is when you know the gender because the previous one is kakak is when you don't know the gender, right? So we only use kak. And when you know the gender, you can add laki-laki means man. So this is
Okay.
you use it
Kakak
when you
laki-laki.
when you know the
Plural.
gender, you can use this laki-laki and perempuan. Laki-laki means man and perempuan means woman.
Kakak perempuan.
Kakak perempuan.
Perempuan.
Yes,
Yes.
perempuan.
Older sister. We know
Yes,
the
it means
age.
older sister.
We know the age.
Man.
We know the age.
You know the age.
Kakak perempuan. Kakak
Yes.
perempuan.
Perempuan
Kakak
means
perempuan.
it is your older sister.
Older sister.
Yes. And then we have adik laki-laki.
Laki-laki in the man. Berubah.
Yes.
Perempuan.
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 Perempuan
woman.
is woman.
Woman.
Yes, perempuan is woman.
Or adik cannot was for the girl. Adik.
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 Yeah, the
Adik
previous
is-
lecture. The previous lesson.
The
Oh,
previous.
This one
Is
was
it?
about the girl. Adik. Younger
Yeah.
sibling.
Yes, adik younger sibling. But you use adik when you don't know the
The
gender.
gender.
Oh.
Nih.
When we you know the gender, if the gender is man, you can use adik laki-laki.
Yes. So you have to add their gender. Yes, laki-laki is a gender. Laki-laki
Okay.
means man.
Man.
Yes, and perempuan is a gender. Perempuan is woman.
Perempuan is woman, yeah.
Yes,
Adik perempuan
Hmm.
is sister.
younger sister. Yes.
Perempuan.
Yes, can you please repeat it again from kakak laki-laki?
Kakak laki-laki.
Kakak laki-laki.
Go
Yes.
ahead, Mr. Anas. Go ahead,
And
Mr. Anas.
Kakak laki-laki. Kakak perempuan.
Yes.
adik laki-laki.
Can you
Adik
please?
laki-laki.
Yes, adik
Adik
laki.
perempuan.
Yeah.
Yes, perempuan.
Perempuan.
Yes. Maybe we can next
Okay.
to the
Anyone still have a question of how to pronounce
the
the vocabulary?
It's okay. It's good.
It's good,
Good
yeah.
one.
Yes,
Yes.
good.
I think that you already also had a good pronunciation, yeah. Okay, because you already learned the vocabulary, now I want you to practice the
Yeah.
dialogue. Okay, for the first dialogue, I will read it first, and then I will ask you to read it one by one, okay? Now let's move on
Okay.
to the first dialogue. Siapa ini?
Siapa ini?
Ya, siapa
Siapa ini?
ini? Ya, siapa ini means who is this?
Who is this? For
Yes.
person. For
Yes.
person.
Yes, because siapa means who.
Okay.
Yes. So siapa ini means who is this?
Siapa ini?
Yes. And then ini kakak saya.
Ini kakak
Ini
saya.
kakak saya.
Yes. Ini kakak saya means this is my older brother.
Ini kakak saya.
Yeah, because we already know the gender, right? Based on this picture, this is a man. So,
Saya, my.
yeah. Because we already know the gender is man, so we use kakak laki-laki or older brother. Okay, maybe we can move to the next dialogue. Can you please, Mr. Nasser, read it, the second dialogue?
Siapa? Malaya.
Siapa?
Namanya Faisal.
Namanya.
Namanya Faisal.
Ya, namanya Faisal. Siapa
Siapa?
namanya?
Faisal is the
Siapa
name of a person.
saya?
Siapa namanya?
Siapa namanya?
Ya, siapa
Namanya.
namanya?
Namanya.
Yes. Siapa namanya means, ya, siapa namanya means what is his name?
Namanya.
Yes.
What's
Namanya Faisal.
namanya Faisal.
Yes. Namanya Faisal means his name is Faisal. Now we can move to the third dialogue. Mr. Anas, can you please help me to read the third dialogue?
Okay. Kamu.
Yes, kamu.
Punya kakak.
Yes, ya, kamu punya kakak, and then
Tidak.
yes,
Saya tidak
punya
kakak.
kakak. Yes, good. So, kamu punya kakak means, do you have an older sibling? And the answer is tidak. Saya tidak punya kakak means, no, I don't have any older siblings.
Tidak, saya tidak.
Yes. So tidak means no. So maybe we can practice the last dialogue together, Julia.
Okay.
Okay. Kamu punya adik?
Yes? Ya,
Ya, saya
saya
punya
punya 3
adik.
adik. Yes. Kamu punya adik means do you have a younger sibling?
Okay.
And ya, saya punya 3 adik means yes, I have 3 younger siblings.
Again,
Can you
please,
repeat
number
them
5.
again? Can we
Oh.
say them again?
Ya, saya
They are difficult to memorize. Yes. Siapa ini?
oh
Siapa
yes.
ini dari awal?
Yeah,
Ini kakak
maybe
saya.
we can start it from the first dialogue with Nasser and Anas. From the first dialogue, you can like switch
Yes.
with it together.
Okay.
Siapa ini?
And then Nasser have to answer ini.
Okay. Anas. I said siapa ini? Mr. Anas.
Okay.
You have to answer.
Ina kakak saya.
Yes. Okay, good. Now, we can move on to the second dialogue. So, Mr. Nasser will ask Mr. Anas.
Yes. Siapa namanya? Namanya?
Yes.
Yes.
Mr. Anas. Siapa namanya?
Namanya Faisal.
What?
Faisal.
Faisal, yes.
Faisal.
Namanya Faisal.
Namanya Faisal. Okay, good. Now, let's move on to the third dialogue. Mr. Anas, you can
Kamu
ask.
punya kakak. Kamu punya kakak, Mr. Anas.
Okay. Kakak saya tidak punya kakak.
Tidak, saya
Yes.
tidak punya kakak.
Punya kakak.
Yes. Okay, good. Now, we move on to the last dialogue.
Okay, the last question.
Yes,
Kamu
Mr.
punya adik? Kamu punya adik, Mr. Anas?
Okay.
You are so good.
Okay. Kamu punya adik?
And you have to answer it. Ya,
Saya.
Yes.
Saya
Ya,
punya
saya.
tiga.
Okay.
ya, saya.
Punya 3
Ya,
adik.
saya
Yes.
punya adik.
Yes. 3 adik.
Punya
Yes.
3 adik.
Okay,
Good
good
job.
job. Thank you, everyone.
Okay, now we are going to practice. You can see here there is a family tree here, but some labels are missing. So your task is to complete the empty boxes. You can use the word bibi, ibu, ayah, paman, and so on in the right side. And I will drag and drop the correct family words into the correct boxes. Okay. For the number
Number
1,
1.
which is the correct
Nenek.
vocabulary.
Nenek.
Nenek.
Nenek, so Nasir answer it. Nenek, what is your answer, Mr. Anas?
For this one.
1, Nana. Number 2,
Number 1,
Kaki.
nenek.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Okay, Mr. Anas said number 1 is nenek and number 2 is kakek. Mr. Nasir, what is your answer for number 2?
Is that kakek?
Number 2.
Yes.
Number 2. Kakek.
Yes. Okay.
What about the number 3?
3. Paman. Paman.
Paman. What about Mr. Anas? Do you agree that the answer is paman?
Baman, your
Yes.
uncle.
Yes. Paman?
No, it's not.
Oh,
Because you have to see this because
Okay, number,
you.
number,
this one is
number
you.
this one is you.
So,
Okay, number 3, your ayah, ayah,
Repeat. Mike, repeat.
ayah,
I want to see
your
that you,
mean
this
in
is you.
dad.
Yes. The number 3 is
Yeah,
that.
3 and 4 is actually mom and dad, or father and mother.
Okay, yeah,
Yes. So
ayah.
the number 3 is ayah.
And also, Mr. Nasser, can you guess what is the answer for number 4? Ayah
Number 4.
and
Number 4 might
number
be
4.
Ibu.
Yes, okay,
Yes.
good. The answer is ibu.
Ibu,
Means, yeah, ibu
your
means mother.
mom,
Yeah, so
Yes.
this is you,
mom.
and this is your father and mother.
Okay,
Ayah dan ibu.
What about the
okay,
number
okay.
5? Is
Mama.
that
Mama.
paman?
Mama.
Bama,
Yes, that's
Bama,
correct. And the last one is
Repeat.
Bibi.
bibi. Okay.
Repeat.
Okay, that's all correct. Good job.
Good job, because
Thank
you already learned this family's tree. Now let's move on to the sentence pattern. Now you are going to learn about sentence pattern. And I want you to, yes, or in Indonesia it's pola kalimat.
Pola. Pola.
Pola,
That's pola mean.
pola kalimat means sentence pattern.
Pola as kalimat.
Pola,
Bola, kalima.
yes, pola kalimat
Okay.
means sentence pattern.
Bola, kalimnya.
No, it's not bola. Bola is ball. It's pola with P.
Pola.
Yes,
Pola.
pola.
Bola,
Pola,
bola,
kalimat.
kalimnya.
Kalimat. So,
Kali,
kalimat. Yes. Now let's look at these four sentences. Ini, blah blah blah, saya. Or this is my, blah blah blah. You can answer this blank with your family's member. For example, in the right side, di contoh, ini ayah saya. You can fill the blank here in the
Okay.
right, in the left side with your family member. For example, you can
Ini ayah saya.
fill it with ayah. So it will be like ini ayah saya.
Lina, ayah, saya.
Ini ayah saya.
Ini ayah saya.
Yes. Means this is my father.
Okay.
Ini paman saya.
Ini,
Ini paman saya.
Lina,
Yes,
saya.
Ini paman saya means this is my
Uncle.
uncle.
My father. Okay, I'm sorry.
Yes,
It's
now
okay, it's okay.
it's okay. We can move to the next sentences, which is saya
Saya
mempunyai.
Iya. Satu.
Yeah, it's okay,
again,
guys.
mam,
Mempunyai.
mambu, you,
Nya.
Saya. Oke, saya membannya
memban,
satu
ya, membannya,
Mampu.
satu adik.
Mempunyai.
Satu
Yes, you can
Ah.
fill. Yeah, yes, you can fill this blank with your family member. For example, saya mempunyai satu kakak dan dua adik laki-laki.
laki-laki. Yeah.
Yes. Can you please repeat after me? Saya
Saya
ya
mampu.
mempunyai.
Saya mampu.
Mempunyai. Mempunyai.
Yes, mempunyai.
Mempunyai. Mempunyai.
Yes.
Mempunyai.
Mempunyai. Mempunyai satu.
Mempunyai.
Ya, mempunyai satu
Mempunyai satu
Mempunyai satu.
kakak
kakak
laki-laki.
Kakak laki-laki.
laki-laki
Dan
dan dua
dua adik
bambua
adik
adin
laki-laki.
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 Yes. So that means I have one older sister and two younger brother.
Okay.
Now,
One-
yes.
One daughter, I have to say, one daughter, 4 sons.
Oh, one
Same.
daughter and four son means one.
Yes. Adik,
No,
No,
daughter.
daughter means anak perempuan.
perempuan.
Anak perempuan.
And 4 sons.
Person.
Four son is anak laki-laki.
Okay. Thank you. Permisi.
Okay, so now we can move to the third sentences. Keluarga saya ada bla 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 orang. You can fill this blank with
Keluarga
yes,
saya
the numbers of your family member. For example, keluarga saya ada 5 orang.
7 orang.
Okay, can you please read the full sentence with your family member?
Keluarga saya ada 7 orang.
Yes, okay, good. Thank you so much, Mr. Nasser. Keluarga saya ada 7 orang. You can fill this blank with your family, how much your family member, okay? Okay.
Okay, now it's time to practice. Your turn to talk about your family. Let's look at the first sentence. There is keluarga saya, blah 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 orang. So the blank one you should fill with the number of your family. Okay, maybe you want to try.
7 members.
Ya, in bahasa keluarga saya ada
Keluarga family members. Saya kakak perempuan laki-laki, sister adik perempuan laki-laki. Yes. Okay. Anas, wait. This is Anas. I start. Keluarga saya
ada bla 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 orang. So the blank
Sorry.
you can fill it with the number of your family. For example, like 1, 2, or 3, and so on.
Okay.
Okay, I think. Hi,
For
Miss
example,
Grace. Yes, I think Miss Grace just joined this meeting.
hold on.
Yeah. Can you please introduce your name, Miss Grace? Hi.
Hai,
My
nama
name
saya Sebelas. Sorry, you can
It's okay.
start.
okay. You can continue. Nama saya.
Come again.
Yes.
Nama saya Grace Chavula. Saya dari Malawi. Hmm,
And then your
uh,
age? Saya berumur
saya berumur 29 tahun.
Yes.
Nice to meet you. Senang berkenalan dengan Anda, Grace. Nama saya Cantika, and with my partner.
Nama saya Julia.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, so we are learning about family today, which means in
Yes.
Indonesia is keluarga.
Mhm.
Yeah. Do you want me to talk again
About the
here
vocabulary.
from the vocabulary? Is it okay if we talk about vocabulary again, Mr. Anas and Mr. Nasser?
Okay. Okay.
Because I'm afraid that Mr. Grace cannot join the practice if she doesn't learn the vocabulary first.
See?
Okay, so Mrs. Grace, this is the
Vocabulary for family
please,
members.
yes.
So for the first one is kakek.
Kakek.
Kakek,
Yes,
yeah.
kakek.
Kakek means grandfather.
Mhm.
So the next is nenek.
Nenek.
Nenek, yeah, nenek. Nenek means is grandmother.
Mhm.
And the next one is ayah.
Ayah.
Yes. Ayah means father. And the next one we have ibu.
Ibu.
Yes.
I used,
Ibu means
I used Mama. Thought that Mama is the father.
yeah, that's correct. The next one we have paman.
Paman.
Yes. Paman means uncle.
Okay. Paman.
And then we have bibi.
Bibi.
Yes. Bibi means aunt.
Yes.
Okay. And then we have kakak.
Kakak.
Yes. We use kakak for older sibling if we don't know the gender. If we don't know the gender, we can use kakak for older siblings.
Okay. Kakak.
Yes. And the last one we have adik.
Adik.
Adik, yes. Adik means younger sibling. And we use this also when we don't know the gender. We can use adik.
So, because we already learned this one, kakak and adik, when you don't know the gender, so you will learn this vocabulary when you know the gender. So, I will explain first that laki-laki is a gender. Laki-laki means a man. Yes, and perempuan is a gender. Perempuan means a woman.
Woman.
Woman, yes. So, Kakak laki-laki is when you know the gender, it's older brother. And also kakak perempuan, because perempuan is a woman, so kakak perempuan is older sister.
Okay.
Okay, now we move on to the younger. The first one is adik laki-laki,
It's
means younger brother.
laki.
Ya, laki-laki. And the last one is adik perempuan, which means younger sister.
Good.
Okay. Yeah, are you clear or is there anyone still have a question?
Please.
It's clear. Okay, thank you. We can move on to the practice, okay? Because Mr. Anas and Mr. Nazar has already. Yeah, maybe we can talk this quickly, okay? Because Mr. Nasser and Anas already learned this, and I will explain it quickly to Mrs. Grace. So this is a sentence pattern, or
Okay.
in Indonesia is pola kalimat. For example, ini blah 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 saya. You can fill this blank with your family member. For example, ini ayah saya. Can you please repeat after me, Mrs. Grace? Ini
Ini
ayah. Ya, ini ayah saya. Means this is my father. And now, the second sentences is saya mempunyai satu bla 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 dan dua bla bla bla. This is you can also fill this blank with your family member. For example, saya mempunyai satu kakak perempuan dan dua adik laki-laki. This is quite long, the sentences. Can you please repeat after me, Mrs. Grace?
saya mempunyai
Yes, good.
satu kaki laki-laki, dua um, adik
Yes,
mempunyai
perempuan.
perempuan.
Yes, okay, good. Thank you so much, Miss Grace. Now we move on to the last sentences. Keluarga saya ada bla 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 orang. You can fill this blank with how many family members do you have. For example, keluarga saya ada 5 orang. Means my family has 5 people. Can you please read it again, but with your how many your family member from Miss Grace?
Keluarga saya ada 5 orang.
Yes. So it means that your family is 5 people. Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Okay, so Mr. Anas, can you please read the sentences, but with your how many your family members?
Okay. Okay. Ina,
Keluarga.
Abah saya.
Ke-
Okay. Number 2. Saya, miba, la, mibi, lan, sata, kakak, rumbulan, dana, daya,
Dua.
adik, laki-laki.
Yes.
Okay, number 3.
Yes.
Kili, regan,
Keluarga.
karul walga, saya, Saya ada lima orange.
Orang. So that
Orange.
means your family member is 5 people. Is it right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, we move to the practice. Let's look at the first sentence. There is keluarga saya ada bla 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 orang. So we use this sentence to tell the number of people in our family. For example, keluarga saya ada 5 orang. It means my family has 5 members. Okay. Anyone wants to try for the first sentence? To talk
Keluarga
about.
saya.
Okay, Mr. Nasser, you can try.
Keluarga saya ada 7 orang.
7 orang. Yes. Maybe Miss Grace want to try? Miss Grace, do you want to try the first sentence?
Keluarga saya ada 4 orang.
Okay. And the last one is Sir Anas. Maybe you want to try?
Okay. Keluarga saya ada 5 orang.
Yes, that's great.
Orange.
Okay, move to the second sentence. Saya mempunyai blah blah blah. The first blank is for the number, and the second blank is for family member. We use this sentence to talk about our brother or sister. For example, saya mempunyai 2 kakak laki-laki. It means I have 2 brothers, 2 older brothers. Okay. Do you have question? No?
No.
Maybe do you want to try for the second sentence? Mr. Anas?
Yes.
Okay. Saya ya
Mempunyai
5 that's it. Okay.
So I will help. Do you have a sister or a brother? Do you have any?
Yes, I have 1 sister and 3 brothers.
1 sister and 3 brothers. So the sister is younger or older from you?
No. Okay. 1 minute, please.
Oh yeah, okay. So we can move to the Mr. Nasser. Can you please try the second sentences?
They are all older than me. That me.
Older.
Older?
All older. That me.
Older than you?
Oh,
So you are the last children? Or do you
You
have
should
a
say
younger?
kakak perempuan.
Yes,
Kakak
that's good.
perempuan.
So Anas has a kakak perempuan or older sister.
2 has
Yes.
2.
Yes.
Oh,
So yes, okay. So Anas says that he has an older sister. So in Indonesia, it is saya mempunyai. What is one in Indonesia, Anas?
Number one in Indonesia, satu.
Yes. So saya mempunyai satu. What is older sister in Indonesia?
Okay.
Older sister. What is in Indonesia?
Older sister,
Yes. In Indonesia is
adik.
no, adik is for younger. For
Okay.
older,
Berumbulan,
kakak perempuan.
kakak, embuluan.
So, Anas, saya mempunyai satu kakak perempuan.
Kakak, embuluan.
Yes. Okay.
Maybe we can move to Miss Grace for the second sentence.
Saya mempunyai tiga kakak laki-laki.
Okay, thank you. And for Mr. Nasser, maybe you want to try to.
Yes. Saya mempunyai ibu.
The number
Ibu.
first.
Yes. Saya mempunyai kakak perempuan. Dua kakak perempuan.
Oh, so you have two older sister.
Ya. Saya mempunyai four laki-laki. Laki-laki.
Laki-laki.
Laki-laki. Empat.
Lima
Empat.
laki-laki.
Oh,
Empat laki-laki.
Empat laki-laki.
Okay,
Empat
thank you.
laki-laki.
Yeah.
Is this correct? Empat laki-laki.
Empat
Empat
is
laki-laki.
younger or older?
Older.
Older.
Oh,
Is this correct?
For older, we can use kakak laki-laki.
Kakak laki-laki.
Kakak
Okay.
laki-laki.
Kakak
Yeah.
laki-laki. Four.
Empat.
We say
kakak.
empat
Empat kakak.
laki-laki.
Yes.
Okay. We can continue to the last sentence. Saya tidak mempunyai blah blah blah. It's for family members. We use this sentence when you want to say that we don't have any family member. For example, saya tidak mempunyai kakak laki-laki. It means I don't have an older brother.
Quite good. I start.
I'm sorry, can you
I
repeat?
start. I start. Saya tidak
Ah,
mempunyai
saya tidak
ayah.
mempunyai. Saya tidak
Ayah.
mempunyai
Tidak mempunyai ayah.
ayah.
Ayah. Saya tidak mempunyai
Mempunyai.
kek. Saya mempunyai
Mem,
saya mempunyai kek.
mem, mempunyai.
Saya tidak mempunyai kek.
Kakek.
Kek.
Yes.
Saya tidak mempunyai nenek.
Yes. Maybe Miss Grace want to try for the third sentence.
Saya tidak
Sir Anas, you can try.
Saya tidak mempunyai Okay. Nothing. Okay, but
Use
Maybe you can
kayak
try with
itu.
the kakak or adik. Saya tidak mempunyai kakak.
kakak.
Yes,
Boleh.
yes.
Kakak boleh. Okay.
Miss Grace, do you want to try for the last sentence?
Okay. Saya tidak mempunyai bibi.
Bibi. Okay, thank you.
Bibi.
Great job, guys. Do you have any question for this slides? No? That's good? Okay. We will move to the next slide.
So, because we already learned about family vocabulary, now we can move to the job or profession vocabulary. So, job or profession means pekerjaan in Indonesia.
Pekerjaan.
Yes, pekerjaan means job.
Pekerjaan. Pekerjaan.
Pekerjaan. Okay, good. Pekerjaan.
Pekerjaan.
Yes, pekerjaan means job.
Job.
Okay.
Yes.
Pekerjaan.
Yes, now we can start with first vocabulary, which is guru.
Guru. Guru.
Guru.
Guru.
Guru.
Yes,
Guru.
Guru means teacher.
Guru means teacher.
Yes.
Guru.
Yes, guru.
Guru.
Yes. Now we can move to the next vocabulary, which is koki.
Koki mean
Yes.
chef.
Yes, it is. Koki means a chef.
Koki.
Yes. And the next one is doctor.
Doctor.
Dokter.
Yes, doctor means a doctor.
Doctor.
Yeah, doctor means doctor.
Okay.
And the next one is perawat.
Perawat.
Yes,
Perawat.
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 Yes, perawat means a nurse.
Perawat. Perawat.
Yeah, perawat.
Perawat. Perawat.
Now, the next one is petani.
Batani.
Petani.
Batani.
Petani.
Petani, yes. Petani means a farmer.
Batani. Okay.
Petani means a farmer. And the last one is pengemudi.
Pinjarmudi.
Pengemudi. Pengemudi.
Pinjarmudi.
Banamugi.
Pengemudi.
Banamudi.
Pinjarmudi.
Yes, yes. Pengemudi.
Banamugi. Banamugi.
Pinjarmudi.
Banamugi.
Pengemudi.
Banamudi. Banamudi.
Yes, yes. Pengemudi.
Banamudi. Banamudi.
Banamugi.
Okay.
Right.
Yes, so
Banamudi.
yes, so before we move on to the sentence pattern, I think Mr. Abdul already joined this.
Abdurrahman.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes, I'm sorry that I late to accept your invitation.
Yes, yes, thank you. I'm I'm sorry also.
It's okay, it's okay. This is our mistake. So we are now learning pekerjaan atau a job.
Okay.
Okay, so before we start, maybe we can introduce ourselves first. Nama saya Cantika.
Dan nama saya Julia.
Oh,
Yeah,
nama saya Abdurrahman.
okay, can you please introduce yourself also in Indonesia? Nama saya Abdul Rahman.
Saya dari Yaman.
Ya, saya dari Yaman. Kemudian saya berumur
Saya berumur 29.
senang berkenalan dengan Anda, Mr. Abdul.
Saya senang juga. Terima
Okay.
kasih.
Terima kasih. Okay, now because all of you has already joined this meeting, so the previous one we already learned about keluarga or family, but we already move on to the next material, which is pekerjaan or job.
Okay.
Okay, now maybe I will explain again from the first job or vocabulary. The first one is guru.
Apa?
Guru.
Guru.
Yes, guru means a teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, the next one is koki.
Koki.
Yeah, koki means a chef.
Oh, orang masak.
Yes, orang masak. Good. Chef is orang masak. And the next one is dokter.
Aha.
Dokter means a
Dokter
doctor.
rumah
Yes.
sakit.
Yes, they
Dokter.
work on rumah sakit or a hospital.
Okay.
And the next one is perawat.
Oh, perawat, nurse.
Nurse, yeah. They also work in a hospital. And the next one is petani.
Petani.
Yes, petani is
Oh,
a farmer. And the last one is pengemudi.
pengemudi.
Yes, pengemudi means a driver.
Oh, pengemudi bukan supir.
Yes, it could be a supir or pengemudi.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Now, because we already learned the vocabulary of a job, now we move on to learn about the sentence pattern or in Indonesia, pola kalimat. Now let's look at the first sentence. Can Grace please help me read these first sentences? Ayah,
Ayah saya seorang dokter.
yes, okay, thank you so much, Mr. Abdul. So, ayah saya seorang dokter means my father is a doctor. And for the second sentences, Mr. Nasser, can you please help me to read the second sentences?
Kakek
Yes.
saya seorang petani.
Yes, okay, good. Kakek saya seorang petani means my grandfather is a farmer. Now, let's move on to the last sentences. Miss Grace, can you please help me to read the last sentence?
Ibu saya serang perawat.
Yes. Ibu saya seorang perawat means my mother is a nurse. I'm sorry, Mr. Abdul, because we already learned the family before. Do you want me to explain it again, or we can continue with the practice session?
Sudah baik.
Sudah baik.
So we can continue to the practice.
Bismillah.
Or
Okay.
maybe you don't want to take notes for the vocabulary.
Insyaallah semuanya oke.
Okay. So you already familiar with the word ibu atau ayah?
Gimana?
Do you already familiar with the word ibu atau ayah? Keluarga.
Ada apa sama keluarga?
Yes. Do you already
Maksud
Familiar
yes
with the
familiar
vocabulary
with the vocabulary?
like this one?
iya kakek, nenek, ayah, ibu, paman, bibi, kakak, adik.
So you already familiar? You already know?
Boleh tanya saya dalam bahasa Indonesia?
Apakah kamu sudah mengerti?
Oh iya, I
Yeah.
understand. Alhamdulillah.
Okay.
Okay, so it's good then kalau sudah paham tentang kosakata keluarga.
Iya, udah.
Okay, alhamdulillah. Now we can move on
To the practice. Okay, now we will practice reading. I will read a text titled My Family. Ini adalah gambar keluarga saya. Kakek saya bernama Anton. Kakek dan nenek saya bernama Rina. Kakek dan nenek saya adalah seorang petani. Saya tidak punya kakak dan adik. Ayah saya seorang guru. Ibu saya seorang koki. Keluarga saya ada 4 orang. Now, Mr. Nasser, you want to try to read the paragraph?
What am I asked to do? Adalah keluarga saya. It's a picture of my say or what? Hack Anton Bertani. What should it imply?
Maybe you
Good.
can read ini adalah gambar keluarga saya until
Father
keluarga
names, name of father, name of mother, example. Kaki Anton Bertani is an example. Yes?
Yes, kakek saya bernama Anton.
Is an example, and then we continue doing.
Yes, so you have to fill this table with the information you found on this text. For example, kakek. This family member is kakek, and yes, you have to read
from
this.
the people in the picture. From the people in the picture.
no.
You have
From
to
the text.
read from the text to find the information, and you can fill this table with the information you found on the table.
Okay, this table.
Yeah, let's look at this example on the table. Look at the table. Kakek.
Okay, this is a picture of Millie Kaki.
Yes,
My
you can.
grandfather's name is Anton.
Yes.
My grandmother's name is Rina. Might be, for example, we can say
Yes.
Neke
Nenek.
Rina
Nenek.
Nenek.
Poki. Poki.
Okay.
Is that right?
So, yes. You can see in this table that the family member is kakek, and you know that his name is Anton, right? So you can fill this blank with his name, Anton, and you can see that kakek dan nenek saya adalah seorang petani. So you know that petani before is a farmer, right? So you can use petani
Have
to
any
fill
brothers or sisters? I
on the
don't.
jobs.
I can't. Tidak. Poni, Ponia, kakak, dan adik.
Yeah.
Say.
So maybe we can talk about this table together. We can discuss this table together.
Yeah, let's talk about the table together and then we'll apply in our sentence.
Okay, so for the second row, there is kakek, and the next one is there's kakek and there is
Inek,
yes.
Nenek.
So the second, so we
Rina,
can
Nenek,
yes.
Rina.
Yes,
Yes.
the name is Rina, right? Ini gimana ini?
That's right.
Yes.
Wait,
You
we
have to
can
read.
yes, we can type here. It's wait.
For the family members.
For the family member, we can write it Nenek. And Mr. Nazar said that her name is Rina, right?
Rina.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
So
What about her job?
what about her job?
I think she's cooking.
Okay.
So you can yes, you can find the information on the fourth sentences. Kakek dan nenek saya
Can you make it
adalah
larger? Make it
seorang.
large.
Make it
Oh,
large.
make it large. Okay.
Make it larger. So we
Yes.
can see it. Okay.
So what is her job? Rina's job.
Rina's job is my grandfather's name. Rina's job. Rina's job is might be housewife. It's just mentioned it here. Teacher, chef.
It's actually stated here that her job is
Bertani.
petani. Yes, that's good. So Anton and Rina's job is petani
Bertani, yes.
or farmer.
Yeah, farmer in English, Bertani.
Yes, okay, good. Now, yes, we can move on to the next
Yes.
Family
family's
member.
member. What do you found? Others family member.
Ayah, father.
Okay, yes, good.
Ayah.
So the next family member is Ayah.
Yes.
So can you find his name there?
Ayah saya Sergio Oro. His name?
Yes. Is there any information about his name?
Okay. My father's name is my mother's name, my father's name, teacher and brothers, parents.
Is there any information about?
It's not mentioned, I think. Adik.
No, yes.
It's not mentioned.
Yes. It mentioned that saya tidak punya
think it's
kakak
mentioned.
dan adik. So, yeah. I don't have a brother and sister.
Yes.
Yeah, so this one should be Ayah.
Ayah, yes.
Yes. And because there's no information about his name, so we can move to the job. Can you find the
Guru.
job?
Guru.
Guru, yes. Okay, good. The job is guru. And also the last one is,
The last family members.
can you find it, Mr. Anas? The last family's member is?
Ipo. Ibu.
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 Or maybe Mr. Abdul or Miss Grace, do you want to try for the last row?
Yes.
For
Ibu
the
saya
last.
seorang koki.
Okay, so this is ibu and pekerjaannya seorang.
Koki?
Okay, so good. So, yeah, we already learned and feel all of this table together, okay? So, good job, Mr. Nasser, Mr. Anas, Mr. Abdul, and Miss Grace. So, we can move to the next slide.
Okay, so now it's your time to present about your family. You can use sentence in the table with your family. You can use like keluarga saya ada, and then ibu saya bernama for your
Lima.
mother
Lima.
name,
Lima.
and then ayah saya seorang for the job, and the last one saya punya blah 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 kakak or adik for the number of your siblings.
Okay, maybe Mr. Abdul, do you want to try?
Okay.
Okay, from the first one, keluarga.
Mungkin gimana butuh
Can you
sebentar.
repeat again? Okay.
Saya baru mencarikan layarnya. Oke. Keluarga saya ada titik-titik orang. Oh, keluarga saya ada 8 orang.
Okay, so you can move to the next sentences. Ibu saya.
Ibu saya bernama Halimah.
Halimah. Kemudian
Iya.
ayah saya.
Ayah saya seorang pemerintahan apa bilang?
Oh, so your dad works in like politics.
In politics.
Government.
Oh, government.
Boleh. Yes.
Government. Pemerintah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Government is pemerintah in Indonesia.
Ya, pemerintah.
Yes. Okay, so
Oke,
the kalimat terakhir.
Saya punya 5 kakak. Bukan, saya punya saya punya 7 kakak.
Oh, 7 kakak.
7
Okay.
kakak. Ya, saya anak terakhir.
Oh,
Thank you, Mr. Abdul. Good job. And
Thank you
next,
so much.
maybe Mr. Nasser wants to try.
Keluarga saya ada 7 orang. Ibu
kemudian
saya bernama Fatul. Okay.
Yes.
Fatul. Okay.
And
Ibu saya bernama Fatul.
okay.
Ayah saya
Seorang
officer.
officer, okay. And the last one?
Ya, saya punya 4 kakak.
Oh, 4 kakak. Oke, terima kasih.
Satu adik.
Oh, oke, 5 kakak dan 1 adik. Oke, terima kasih, Mr. Nasser. Maybe
Mr. Anas want to try?
Mr. Anas or Miss Grace?
Or
do
Miss
you want
Grace, do you want to try?
Okay.
Try.
Okay.
Ibu.
Who wants first?
Dulu
Mr.
Okay.
Anas. Okay, I think Mr.
Keluarga.
Anas first.
Okay. Keluarga saya ada tujuh orang. Ibu saya bernama Iman. Okay. Ayah saya Sulang Batini.
What
Yes,
Tani?
yes.
Okay,
Batani.
Tani. Okay, now the last sentences.
Batani. Saya punya tiga kakak adik.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, terima
Good job.
kasih, Mr. Anas.
And the
Thank you.
last one we have
Mas
Miss Grace.
Mas
It's your turn.
Oh, okay. Keluarga saya ada 9 orang. Ibu
Next.
saya bernama Teresa.
Okay.
Ayah saya seorang guru. Saya punya 6 adik.
Okay. Terima kasih.
Terima kasih
Good
semua.
job. Keren.
Keren. Keren means cool. Okay, now that we already learned all of the materials, now
From the vocabulary.
yes, from the family vocabulary and job vocabulary, now we are going to do a short reflection. You can use the sentences, for example, hari ini saya belajar keluarga. Means today I learned about family. So, for the next sentences, hari ini saya bisa blah blah blah. Can Miss Grace answer the second question? Today I can't. You can answer it in English. It's okay.
Okay. Today I can pronounce ayah for
Yes.
father
Okay.
and
Good.
ibu for mother.
Okay. Good. And for the last sentences, saya ingin belajar lagi mengenai. So, is there anything that you want to learn again?
A question. What does if I want to say I have 6 brothers and 3 sisters, and what is and in
And in Indonesia.
Indonesia? Yes, and
And
like, I want
means dan.
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 Yes. And means dan.
Dan. Okay.